Going vegan was a huge shift for me. Before I started, I heard all sorts of myths about plant-based living. Some made it sound impossible, others too perfect. After a year as a vegan, I've sorted out what's true and what's not. Here's my take on the biggest myths based on my own experience. Myth 1. You're always hungry on a vegan diet. I used to think vegan food was just salads and wouldn't keep me full. At first, I was skeptical about feeling satisfied without meat. But I found that meals with lentils, beans, tofu, and whole grains were incredibly filling. A bowl of chickpea curry with brown rice kept me going longer than my old chicken dinners. I also learned to snack smarter. Nuts, hummus, or avocado toast became my favorites. With the right foods, I rarely felt hungry. Myth 2. Vegan diets don't have enough protein. Before going vegan, I worried about not getting enough protein. People told me plants couldn't compare to meat for protein. But I discovered that foods like quinoa, tempeh, and edamame are protein powerhouses. I hit my daily protein needs, around 50 grams for my weight, without much effort. A typical day might include a pea protein smoothie, lentil soup for lunch, and a tofu stir-fry for dinner. My energy stayed steady, and I even gained muscle with regular exercise. Myth 3. Vegan food is bland and boring. I thought vegan meals would be tasteless, like eating plain vegetables all the time. I couldn't have been more wrong. Vegan cooking introduced me to bold flavors. I started using spices like cumin, turmeric, and smoked paprika to make dishes pop. Favorites included mushroom tacos, creamy cashew pasta, and mango coconut curry. I also found vegan versions of comfort foods, like plant-based burgers and ice cream, that tasted just as good as non-vegan versions. Myth 4. Going vegan costs a fortune. Another myth was that vegan food is super expensive. I was nervous about my grocery bill at first, expecting specialty items to break the bank. But I learned you don't need fancy meat substitutes to eat vegan. Staples like rice, beans, oats, and frozen vegetables are affordable and versatile. By buying in bulk and cooking at home, I kept costs low. While some vegan cheeses or pre-made meals can be pricey, I focused on whole foods. My grocery bill ended up about 20% lower than when I ate meat. Myth 5. You'll get sick without meat. People warned me I'd get weak or miss out on nutrients like iron or B12 without meat. I took this seriously and planned my diet carefully. I ate iron-rich foods like spinach and fortified cereals, pairing them with vitamin C foods like oranges to help my body absorb the iron. For B12, I started taking a daily supplement, which is cheap and simple. My regular checkups showed my nutrient levels were fine, and I felt healthier than before. No more feeling sluggish after meals. What I learned after a year. Being vegan for a year taught me more than just busting myths. It changed how I view food and my health. I have more energy, my skin looks better, and I feel good about lowering my environmental impact. It wasn't always easy. Social events and cravings were tricky at first. But planning meals and finding vegan-friendly restaurants made it manageable. The key is eating a variety of foods and keeping things balanced, not aiming for perfection. In conclusion, if you're curious about a plant-based diet, don't let common myths hold you back. You don't need to switch overnight, just start with small changes. Try meatless Mondays or add one new vegan meal each week. You'll discover what fits your lifestyle. Personally, I was surprised by how easy and enjoyable vegan eating became. Over the past year, it's turned into something I truly love. I've found new flavors, learned about nutrition, and noticed how much better I feel. The journey has been filled with growth, both physically and mentally. So give it a try. You might just find that a plant-based lifestyle brings more benefits and joy than you ever expected. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and support our channel. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
Looking to burn fat effortlessly? Java Burn is a powerful, tasteless supplement that supercharges your metabolism when mixed with your daily coffee. Start your weight loss journey today. Click the link in the description.